Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to rebuild database in your PlayStation 5. All right, the step one is press and hold the PlayStation 5's power button to shut down the console. The power indicator will blink various times before shutting off and will give off a beep. Step two is press and hold the power button again. Release it after you hear the second beep after 7 seconds later. Step three, connect your DualSense controller to the console via its USB cable. Once you do that, step four is press the controller's PS button. It's going to be on the middle in between the two buttons. Step five, select option 5, rebuild database. Step six, follow the instructions, if any, and wait for the process to finish. The process can be a bit faster on the PlayStation 5, but it also depends on the state of your console. Bear in mind, rebuilding the database won't fix hardware problems like overheating, faulty disk trays, or slow connections. And that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.